We are so happy that you're interested in taking our online course, Vision Board Yoga Workshop, where you can create your own vision board on your own timing for the year to come, and you can design the life that you would love to live. So let's take a sneak peek on what you're going to find on the inside. All right, so you're going to have different lessons and topics, and the first one will be how to get started. And in the how to get started, you're going to have different videos. Number one will help you get wildly clear of what you would want to be, do, and have in your life. Then you're going to know what materials are needed to make your dream board, as well as the step-by-step process in making your vision board. And everything is done through video. So I'll just give you a little example. You'll have different videos, and then at the end, you'll have the different documents that you will need. Once you figure out how to do the vision board and you're ready to get it done, then you're going to do the EnerJ yoga session. The EnerJ yoga session is a 30-minute energizing yoga practice that will help you get aligned and help get your creativity flowing so that you can start to make your dream board. Then after that, this is the fun part, the activation process. And in the activation process, there are 2 videos. Number one will let you know how to actually activate your dream board, going through there. And then you're going to have access to the EnerJ meditation, where you'll start to visualize yourself achieving everything that's on your dream board, and it'll give you tools that you can use all throughout the year to continue activating, continue visualizing, and taking action to start to manifest what you would love to manifest in your life. As well as there's a little bonus here, you can check that out once you are registered, and it's to be in our online community where we share daily health tips every day. So I'm really hoping that you're going to join us. Let me know if you have any questions. If not, you're just going to click the link. The link is going to take you to the EnerJ Academy, and then you just need to follow the 2 easy steps, which are here. Is number one, create your account, which is super important. Create your account first, and then select your course. All right, I'll see you on the inside.